Hi, I'm Marriott, and together with Motion Design School, we've created a practical course where you'll learn the processes and techniques to create awesome motion design projects that combine traditional frame-by-frame animation and After Effects. We're creating 6 animated projects, each one focusing on a different technique to integrate frame-by-frame animation into your workflow. There's only so much I can cover in a 10-minute YouTube video. Here, I get to go into detail, breaking down every step of the process and explaining all the decision-making that goes into creating a great project. We'll be using Adobe Animate, but the techniques you'll learn can be applied to any frame-by-frame software. After completing this course, you'll have the skills to add frame-by-frame animation to your motion design projects, and the confidence to use traditional animation to get smoother motion, add tons of character to your work, and just create elements that aren't possible in After Effects alone. We'll be combining the best of both worlds, using each of their strengths to create unique characters, all while focusing on the process and workflow, so that you can master your motion practice.